Blox Icon Pack is an Android application designed to provide users with a collection of uniquely designed icons that help personalize their home screens. This icon pack is particularly appealing to users who want to enhance the visual aesthetics of their devices with a modern and cohesive design. Key features typically include a wide variety of high-quality icons that are created in a minimalist style, often incorporating geometric shapes and bold colors. This allows users to choose from many options to match their personal taste and the overall theme of their device. Blox Icon Pack usually supports popular third-party launchers, making it easy for users to apply the icons and fully customize their home screens. The app often includes a feature that allows users to request icons for specific apps that may not be included in the initial set, ensuring a comprehensive experience. Additionally, users can often find matching wallpapers and dynamic elements within the app to complement their icons even further. Overall, Blox Icon Pack serves as an excellent tool for anyone looking to elevate their Android device's appearance and express their individuality through stylish icon designs.